Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Zero to Infinity. So in this video I will tell you how to fix this problem of cannot write to SD card. So many users facing this problem that whenever they try to do some operation in SD card like opening of the SD card and try to move something, this option came out. So how to fix this problem I will tell you step by step. So make sure you subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more and more videos. So what you need to do, you need to open your file manager and you need to do what do you need to do. You need to select anything from internal storage like any file and you need to try to paste it down in the SD card of your device. If the file is pasted on your SD card, means your SD card is fine and your problem will be solved. And if this file cannot be moved in SD card, then what you need to do? So you need to restart your device and try after that that your SD card is fine or not. And after restarting your device till your SD card is not working properly, so what you need to do, so you need to take your take out your SD card from your device and you need to insert it after half an hour and try to restart your device, and after that your problem will be solved. I hope you like this video and make sure you subscribe our channel for more and more interesting and knowledgeable videos. And if you have any query regarding this video, you can simply comment it down. I will reply your each query regarding this video. Thank you guys, that's it for today. For more and more interesting video, you can subscribe our channel Zero to Infinity.